Hello and welcome back to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I am Brian Fagan, and today we are going to talk about a crucial part of family law cases: fairness in the courtroom. When you're going through a divorce, custody dispute, or any other family law matter, you may wonder how the judge will ensure fairness. After all, the decisions made by the judge can impact your life, your children's lives, and your financial well-being for years to come. Understanding how judges approach their role and what measures you can take for a fair outcome can be critical. In Texas family law, judges have the duty to ensure that the courtroom is not just a place for legal decisions, but a place where each party has the opportunity to present their case fully and fairly. Judges are guided by the Texas family law, legal precedents, and the principle of best interest when children are involved. Judges in family law cases are there to be neutral arbitrators. They listen to both sides, assess the evidence, and apply the law to specific facts of each case. One of the main ways to ensure fairness is by giving both parties the opportunity to present their arguments equally. This includes allowing each side to be able to bring forward evidence, testimony, and supporting documents. The judge will carefully evaluate what is presented, weigh the credibility of the witnesses, and make decisions based on the facts, the law, and the best interests of the children involved. In custody cases, for example, the court's primary goal is to ensure that any decisions made serve the best interests of the child. This might be involving considering factors such as the child's emotional needs, the stability of each parent's home, the relationship between the child and each parent, the ability of each parent to meet the needs of the child. Judges take these factors seriously, and Texas family law provides guidance to help ensure fairness in custody determinations. Let's take a look at a real-life scenario to see how it works in practice. Imagine two parents, Sarah and David, who are going through a divorce in Texas. They have two children and they are in a heated custody battle. Sarah claims that David has not been consistently involved in the child's lives, while David argues that he is fully capable of co-parenting and wants joint custody. During the hearing, the judge gives both Sarah and David equal time to present their case. Sarah submits evidence showing that she has been the primary caregiver, taking care of the children, the school, the medical appointments. David brings forward witnesses to testify that he is a dedicated father to the children and his efforts to be made involved. The judge listens carefully to both sides and reviews the evidence. Additionally, the court appoints a neutral expert, such as the child's psychologist, to provide insight into the children's emotional well-being and how they are handling the divorce. The judge considers the expert's report along with testimony and evidence provided by the parents. In careful deliberation, the judge issues a custody order that ensures the parents have meaningful involvement in the children's lives, while prioritizing the children's stability and emotional needs. In this case, the judge's role was not to be in favor of one parent over the other, but to evaluate the evidence fairly and to apply the law to ensure the best possible outcome for the children. This is an example of how judges work to maintain the fairness in their courtroom while making decisions that are balanced, legally sound, and most importantly, focused on the well-being of the children involved. Another important way that Texas family law court judges ensure fairness is through the enforcement and procedural rules. These rules include deadlines for filing documents, requirement for presenting evidence, and proper courtroom conduct that are designed to create an even playing field. By ensuring that both parties follow the same rules, the judge can prevent one side from gaining an unfair advantage over the other. Judges also use their discretion in order to order mediation or settlement conferences when appropriate. This encourages that both parties try to resolve their differences outside of the court, which can reduce the conflict and help that families find a way to work together for the best interest of the children. However, if the case must go to trial, the judge will ensure that it is conducted in a way that respects the rights of both parties and adheres to Texas law. In financial matters like property division and spousal support, judges are also required to follow the Texas community law, which ensures that both parties receive a fair share of the assets and debts accumulated during the marriage. Fairness here is achieved through careful consideration of each party's financial contributions and needs, as well as the future well-being of the children involved. Ultimately, judges in Texas family law courts take their responsibility to ensure fairness very seriously. They rely on the evidence and testimony presented. They follow the laws of Texas and work to balance the needs of both parties. While each case is different and no one can predict the outcome, you can rest assured that the judge is committed to making a fair decision based on the facts and the law. If you are going through a family law case in Texas and want to learn more about how to protect your rights and ensure fairness in the courtroom, I encourage you to schedule a free 30-minute consultation where we will discuss your situation, go over your options and your facts, and help you to navigate this challenging time. Before going, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us up for more legal insights. We are here to provide guidance you need every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay informed and take care.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.